You can learn with Mikey.
Hi friends, hola amigos, it's your pal Mikey. And today, we're going to blast off my rocket, Cohete. Hey, did you know what this rocket, Cohete, is made out of? Yeah, a bottle, Botella. And I have another question for you. Where do rockets usually blast off Despegar to? Space! Espacio! You're right! One more question. Who are usually on rockets when they blast off into space? Espacio. Astronauts! Astronautas! Great job! Cool! Well, hey, let me blast this rocket off and see if it will go into space! No, probably not, but it's gonna be pretty cool. So, let's do it! So in order to launch my rocket, Cohete, I need a couple of tools. I have a bottle of water, Botella de Agua. I have a cork. I have a bicycle pump. And I have a base that I made out of wood. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some water, Agua, inside of my rocket, Cohete. And then I'm gonna put this cork inside and I'm gonna pump air into it. What's gonna happen is this is gonna fill up with pressure, presión. And when it gets too full with pressure, presión, it's gonna pop. And hopefully it's gonna go into space, espacio. Or hopefully it goes pretty high. Are you ready? All right, scoot back. That way you can be safe. So I just poured some water inside. Now I'm gonna put the cork. And then I need to make sure that my needle is on pretty safely. Then I'm gonna turn my base around, have my bottle in there, put the needle back in the cork, and now let's turn it around. All right, let's count down from 5, 5. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, despegar! Whoa! Look! Wow! That flew pretty high, right? Did it go into space? No, it didn't, but it went really high. Alto! Yeah! Hi friends, hola amigos, it's your pal Mikey. And I'm here to show you how to build a bottle rocket. You will need a grown-up's help because you need scissors and a hot glue gun. The first thing you want to do is cut out 4 triangles. These 4 triangles are your wings. You want to turn the bottle upside down so that you can put the 4 wings on the bottle using the hot glue gun. Wow, doesn't that look nice? Those wings are gonna help your rocket fly high. Now, take the sheet of paper and roll it in the shape of a cone. Once you get into the shape of a cone, put a little bit of glue, that way your paper can stay in the shape of a cone. Now put the cone on top of the bottle to see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, it's okay. Just draw a line and cut that line. Once you get the perfect size for your cone, you can go ahead and write your name on it. I wrote my name, M-I-K-E-Y, Mikey. Feel free to decorate your cone however you want. Now that your cone is all decorated and ready to put on the rocket, just put a little bit of glue on top of your rocket and put the cone on top. Press down gently, that way you make sure that the cone is stuck to your rocket. Whoa! Look at my rocket! It's ready to blast off! Despegar! I really hope you enjoyed launching my rocket with me. Be sure to click the subscribe button, that way you keep learning with me. M-I-K-E-Y. Oh yeah, go to learnwithmikey.com so you can print out free activity worksheets. Bye, adios.